people, you dig? Once more up to the date on the scale. Don't know I'm only back in the building, don't? We'll continue video for the first video. And we put up, you don't know, we are discuss about squash, you see me? Might be an artist where I get a big fight right now. But you don't know, great man always get a fight. Although I'm not MVP, but when I really check your levels, all of the great people them and the good people them ever get a fight, you see me? Yeah. Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, Tupac, etc. You see me? You can name them all. Once you're good, you always get a fight. Even myself right now, because I have a big and a good heart, I still get a fight. I'm not reach nowhere yet. You see me? So I just say things, you see me? Yeah, great man always get a fight. Yeah. But as I say, Zane, the youth have talent and the youth have potential. And the youth are trying to make it way for his family, you see me? And even some other youth see him where we see the talent and just say, yo, you know, say, now I'm going to turn to crime and violence. Go sit down and write some song and try to do some good song. And try to build the country and lift up the country spirit, you see me? Because you don't know a lot of things bad to talk about Jamaica. You see me? From man a kill woman, crime and violence, shooting, robbery, rape and all these things. So if you them find time to go lock up in their house or a studio and roll some deep meds and do some real good song and put them out there so people can hear them voice, hear them pain. Because a lot of these artists, you know, most of what the majority of what them sing about, you know, things where they go through in life. You see me? Pain and the suffer, you see me? Get up, walk, go to school, how much mile. Get up your mother or your father, whosoever your guardian, not have nothing to give but $100-200 in your pocket to go to school. And that have to serve you. When you go to school, you have to just focus on your schoolwork. And the government's a free education, but I don't see where education free right now, cause if you don't have none of money to pay your youth school fee, you can't go to school, teacher go tell you not come. So it's all about the Benjamin, you see me? Yeah. But we want them free up squash, you see me? Tamale out there, Tamale Sparta out there, Ragging now out there. Squash fi out there same way. Shane a try make him way same way fi out there. All them having fan base. But more be artists them a try put more be upon the map, you see me? With a good reputation. You see me? Yeah. So we just want the artists to free up. Artists I tell us stay focused, do some positive songs same way. And make them say, yo, don't judge you by your image, you see me? You have a lot of good inside, you see it? You dig? So that's that we there talk about same way. We have some other topic to talk about. But you don't know, if you get more information, please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell. And then leave a comments so we can know what you think. And if we have time, we can read them and we reply. Same way, you see it? Big up my baby mother them same way. Don't know my youth, them I make me stay focused, you know. Yeah. Them I make me stay focused. And as I'm saying in my previous video, so man have nothing to care about. Not even a lizard for give look water. You see me? Although you don't know the incident can't find lizard, but you don't know the thing go. Boom. And again, come on for that. Ragging King, go and do a good song them and show them. Before you're up on the limelight, you have enough good song. Squashh same way have enough good song. Shaney have enough good song. Tamily have enough good song. Same way. Jackir is a Mantigonian, but Jackir neither really make the world know say I'm not being come from. You see me? So him not really pave the way for the younger generation them. And the younger generation them never follow film footsteps for make them city or them community where they come from be knowing out there in the world. You see me? And the younger generation them a do that. And once the younger age them a do that, them a get a fight from Babylon. But the youth them just a look money for make them family can alright, cause things tough. You see me? Now we ain't did it more than figure sing some song, go up on a site, or go up on your 9 to 5 same way. A lot of good people up on the region, you know. Lot of good people, you see me? We don't know music or Jamaica culture, so enough you go and become an artist and become a DJ. You see me? Yeah. I say things set here, man. Cut to this so make them go dead, you see me? Yeah. You don't know. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'm out. Peace.